Hello, and 60-second English, Scientific Thursday. So let's talk about the most important gas on the planet for the human beings, which is oxygen, and the role of the Amazon rainforest in it. Did you know that the world's 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest? Cool, isn't it? So yes, people breathe in oxygen and they breathe out carbon dioxide. The plants do the other thing. Thanks to the combination of carbon dioxide and water, they convert it into energy and then let out oxygen as a byproduct.